No, it's not pumpkin spice latte. I wish it was, but it's not. It's just regular coffee. Because I'm not feeling so well. My voice is down more than usual. And pumpkin spice latte is one of those drinks that has been on my list to try forever now. I don't understand why people like it so much, why it's such a viral drink for fall. Basically, that's why I want to try it. I want to know what it's all about, what it tastes like. So, but please notice, I'm coordinating with the theme of the video, pumpkin spice latte. If I'm going to try and turn myself into a pumpkin spice latte, I'm not going to drink it, but I'm going to try and turn myself into one. Okay, so when I think of this look, I think of something fresh and glowy, because it's a fall look. Although we have no fall where it's still summer, it's very hot, it's humid, we're still sweating like crazy, so it's no fall, but we're pretending it's fall. I also have a couple of new things that I wanted to try. Like, these were just sitting in my stuff, so I thought, why not we try? This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I've not used this before, but everyone likes it. It's supposed to give you a glowy base. So first of all, we're going to start with our primer. I did moisturize my under eyes before starting to film this video. Okay, you can see as soon as I touch my skin, I start going red. This is why I don't go out barefaced, because I don't really like this. This just feels like a very watery primer. It doesn't feel sticky at all. Yeah, it's getting tacky. When I'm applying it, it does not feel sticky at all, but it is getting tacky, which is what it is supposed to do. Like, it's a hydro grip primer, so it's supposed to grip your foundation. Okay, so I'm just letting this primer sit for a while, and then we can go with foundation and other steps. But before foundation, I am going to apply Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I am in the shade 2 Light. I'm going to link all these products in the description, so you can check them out. Okay, so I'm just going to be applying it to my cheekbones and not anywhere else. I'm not going to like put it all over my face. So now that we're done with the flawless filter, I am going to go in with foundation. For foundation, we're using the Dior Backstage foundations. I have 0 neutral and 1.5 neutral. I'm going to mix these two to like match it with my shade, with my complexion. When applying foundation, you do not ever forget your neck or your ears, because you want to match everywhere and you do not want to have a face with a different color in your neck or the different color. So now we're just going to blend. Okay, so after foundation, I'm going in with the concealer. Too Faced Born This Way. I'm in the shade Porcelain. I am going to go in with another concealer, Tarte's Light Neutral, in my T-zone. I'm applying a little bit over my lids because it is going to act as a primer for my eyeshadow. I'm going to set my face with Huda's setting powder. I'm in pound cake. I'm using this sheen puff. I am going to bake my eyes and my T-zone. Okay, so we have powdered our face. I'm going to go in with orange. I've never used the orange from this palette. I feel like going in with some yellow because it's a little too reddish orange for me, and I wanted a more yellowish orange. Okay, so now that we're done with our orange, I'm going to go in with brown. For brown, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. I am just going to mix raw sienna with warm taupe and see how that looks. So for the outer corner, I'm going to smoke it out a little bit more and use Cypress Umber. Okay, so I went in with warm taupe and orange and yellow mixed under my lower lashes. I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm just using this, I don't know which brush this is. It's an angled brush that I use for contour. So I'm just going to use it to apply my bronzer. Okay, so for blush, the closest orange I could find was this Luminoso 901 by Milani. I had a mini of this. Okay, so this looks pretty, right? The blush does not look orange at all. It looks nice. So this is what we have so far. I am thinking of applying Vermeer. This is what the shimmer looks like. This is from the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm thinking of going over my eyelids. Okay, so this is what eyes look like. I'm going to experiment with the lips a bit. I'm going over with a pink liner. Like, it's just a random liner. And I'm going to use Pat McGrath's 1995 lipstick. So this is the lipstick's color. So for brows, I'm only going to be using the tint. This is in the shade Chocolate. It's Anastasia's tinted brow gel. Okay, so first we are going to go over with our lash primer. This is by Lancôme. For mascara, we're going with Marc Jacobs. So what do you think of the look? I mean, I really wish I had the curls left. This is what's been left. Everything else, it's straight. So what do you think? I think I've succeeded. Like, it does not look so bad, but yeah, I've played safe. I know that I can go out looking like this and I'll be fine. I haven't gone overboard with the orange. I don't like orange on my face. I tried orange lipstick once and it looked horrible on me. So no, thank you. No oranges for me. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I got the sweetest comments on my last video. So, like, thank you for that. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for like talking to me. That means a lot. And I would love if you can give me more suggestions, more encouraging messages over on this video as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.